Hello guys, I am going to show you how to pass field values from ConvertBox to ThriveCart in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Setting the form actions. In the Form Settings modal, select the Actions tab and set the default action to redirect to URL and add your checkout page URL in the field on the right. Then select the option for Pass Form Fields as parameters on the redirect URL. This will ensure that any fields submitted in your ConvertBox form will be passed through to the redirect URL. Step 2. Mapping the fields. ThriveCart looks for specific parameters in the query string, so we will need to set some custom redirect parameters for the ConvertBox fields to ensure they are mapped correctly to ThriveCart. In this example, we will be mapping ConvertBox fields for name and email. In the Form Settings modal, select the Fields tab and select Edit on the name field. In the field options, select the option Set a custom parameter name for the redirect URL. This will reveal a field where you can add the ThriveCart parameter for the name field. Add the parameter, pass-through, customer_name, then select Save to close the modal. Now select Edit on the email field. Again, in the field options, select the option Set a custom parameter name for the redirect URL. This will reveal a field where you can add the ThriveCart parameter for the email field. Add the parameter, pass-through, customer_email.